Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy KIDSYD. So in today's tutorial we're gonna focus on how to record your vocals using presets. And without wasting any time, I'm just gonna go straight to the video. So the first thing that you do once you have loaded your beat, you're just gonna come to this icon there, and then you go to detect your tempo. Or if you don't know the tempo of your beat, please, it's important to know the tempo of the beat. If you can maybe come to this tempo tapper here, and then you just detect the tempo. For me, I know it's 100 BPM, and after you know your tempo, and then after you set your tempo, you just come to this pitch corrector sample to detect or to search for the scale of the beat. And then we have A sharp major here, and we're gonna use the insert one for our recording here. So in one, and then we're gonna load our presets. So I don't know which one should I go for. Let me take lead vocal, yeah, with no reverb in it. Yeah, so it's gonna take much time. No, this was actually quicker than I thought. So you come to your auto tune, and then you change your scale to major, and we have A sharp and alto or tenor. Yeah, we can return speed all the way up. This is something that I don't normally do. I don't record using presets, but I just thought of doing it for those who want it, for those who use it, or who feel like they just want to use it. Or sometimes maybe it's good for just testing whether your project will succeed or not. Yeah, and after that, I don't know what else can we do here. Yeah, I don't know, like, yeah, I think we are good to go, like, yeah. So now I'm just gonna route this track to the mix, yeah, like, yo, hey, yo, yeah. So let me switch off the delay, and like, yeah, I think we are good. Let me decrease it a bit, and maybe this on track number 3. Like, damn, this is annoying. But now we're just gonna damn, now we are gonna record right now. So I'm just gonna switch on the presets there, and then I'm just gonna record. I don't know what I got on my mind, but yeah, maybe something simple. So here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it wasn't actually recording because I didn't turn on this disc record here. So let's go again. Oh yeah, and Tigo Power, yeah, Gulu gulu yipe manda, gulu gulu yipe manda, gulu gulu yipe manda. Yeah, so that's it. Then let me. Yeah, let's listen to what. So we're gonna listen to what we have on. Oh yeah, this was actually the Tico Power. Yeah, yeah. Kulung kulung jipe manda, ang kulung kulung jipe manda, ang kulung kulung jipe manda, telung jipe manda, telung jipe manda, ang kulung kulung jipe manda, ang kulung kulung jipe manda, ang kulung kulung jipe manda, telung jipe manda, telung jipe manda, telung jipe manda. Yeah, so I'm not a great singer, but I just tried and I'm just confident with my voice, guys. So right now we're gonna maybe record something below it. I don't know, maybe some background or something. I don't know. Yeah. Let me. Oh yeah. Oh. Ay, Tico Power. Oh, Tico Power. Oh yeah. Kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Oh yeah. Telung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Yeah, so let me guys, the whole point of recording, actually for me the whole point is just having fun, guys. Just have fun, and so maybe this one we can take it as a maybe the ad-libs or such. And this wasn't actually, I wasn't prepared for this thing. So if I was prepared total, guys, I will blow your mind. But this is what we accomplished so far. Let's switch off this. Oh yeah, this was actually good. I'm so happy that I got to do something like this. So let me listen to this for the last time. Oh yeah, wow, Tico Power. Kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Ang kulung kulung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Telung jipe manda. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and peace.